We have a question on oil, if it will be going down. Yes, we expect oil to be going down. We'll take a very close look at it right after we finish Ethereum. Alright, so we're looking now at the 4-hour chart here. This is the updated 4-hour chart for today. Remember, we were saying that we are just at the boundary, at the tip of that ending diagonal or leading diagonal. It looks like we're having a rounding bottom, we're having a head and shoulder formation. But after a lot of segregation work, we are not convinced, but we really would expect another leg 2C here. So even if this was a higher degree wave 1, there has been an A, and there has been a 1, 2, and a 1, 2, 3 into B. Now there is a 1, 2, and a 1, 2, 3 into a C. That's anyway how it would add up. We're beginning to have zero momentum on the 4-hour chart, which is a very good sign anyway. It could be that 2C is complete and we get a breakout. That's why we'd only go on confirmation. It could be that when we go to the 30-minute chart, we are working on the premise that this is a wave 1 and there is an internal correction here that we're showing on the 30-minute charts. The market could be doing an ending diagonal now that will actually complete or close at level 1 here above the moving average. If you draw a leading diagonal at that point, you get this becomes developed into a wave 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, all congested at that neckline. Very compact. We can actually see it on the 4 hours, we can see it on the 1 hour, but on the 30 minutes. But I believe everyone understands what we're trying to indicate. You're looking at wave 1 is still in formation. You have a 1 and a 2. The 2 is an A, B, and a C. Now you're doing a 3. It's also an ending diagonal, but very compact. It will fall back on a 4 at a neckline and continue higher into a 5. So maybe we're never going to get that confirmation, you know, straight off, but we can be able to tell when we go to the momentum plot. Okay, so this is what we're looking at. We cannot commit. Personally, I would not consider to commit because we are already buying. We're just saying that there's an ending diagonal here. This is a wave 1. It looks like this is really the case because all of the crypto class is now bullish and should be going up. This too should be going up. And this too now is doing a wave 1 on the 4-hour chart. Definitely a wave 1 on the 4-hour chart. So it should terminate at a neckline. It is terminating at this neckline. It should do a bit higher, try to close at least above the moving average. It is trying to close above the moving average. At that point, it will react. You're looking at this leading diagonal or ending diagonal here. It should go all the way to 4,200, react and bounce at or just below the lower boundary of this higher degree ending diagonal. We always, of course, go in the direction of momentum. Momentum is showing this is a degree 1. There is divergence, and this is a degree 1. It's a 0 line. So we're going to be testing that moving average. We're looking at this 30-minute chart here. All right. And this is the current trade segregation now. You're looking that this is a wave 1, and there has been an A and a B and a C, or that this is a wave 1. There has been really an A and partially a B here and an A, B, C here. Right here, this is the end now of that correction. We're having an internal level 1 and we should be getting an internal level 2 and then moving higher. Okay, so internal level 2 should not fall below the top of 1. It's just like with what we are seeing with Bitcoin, but less developed. You're looking here at a 1-2 formation here. There should be a neckline, but we're just showing it at this point. All of this formation is an internal level 1 and a 2. It is, of course, an ending diagonal. It can go on charn all the way until it does close above the neckline. Okay, until it does close above the neckline, we are not confirmed seriously, and it's very possible that we can have a retraction all the way back to 3,700 inside of that leading diagonal. At that point, we see drops back here, and we would want to buy very strongly 3,700 and 3,600. This is relating to what you're seeing here. You have a 2C here, and you're still inside of that ending diagonal. You're just doing multiple heads and shoulders. All right, and these multiple heads and shoulders are going to be at some point, of course, breaking above the neckline. Again, because of the momentum plot, we do not expect this. The momentum plot shows this is a degree 1. All right, and if this is a degree 1, you're not going back down to do another head.